Alright, for question number 13, this is one that you will have to have memorized at some point. All of this is actually the derivative of inverse sine, and so all of this just becomes that, and then of course there could be a constant that we can't see that we're taking the derivative of. Then to go and use our initial condition here, when y is 2, x is 0, and usually what's hard about this question is remembering how to deal with this. So this is saying what angle has a sine of 0, and there's usually a couple places on the unit circle where sine is 0, depending on how many rotations you want to make. But to know which one it's looking for, you do have to remember back from pre-calculus that inverse sine only exists from negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2. So 0 is supposed to be the answer to that, and not pi. And then that's enough to know that c is 2. So now using the initial condition, we can get a more specific function. And then to finish the question, we want to know what is f of 1. So if I plug in 1 for x, we've got to do another inverse sine question. So again, this is asking where on the unit circle is sine 1, and that occurs only right here at pi over 2 within the first rotation, but pi over 2 is part of the range of inverse sine, so that is fine. So you get to that, and then that does not match up any choices, but what they did is they got a common denominator and pushed those together, and then that is how you need to move forward.